Hey everybody, Travis with Blue Nail Roofing doing another roof replacement. I wanted to talk to you today about the penetrations on your roof. So penetrations would be things like the furnace caps, the exhaust ventilation on your roof, and pipe jacks from the plumbing. So here's an example of one of these. See, now in this pipe right here that's coming through the roof, you can see at the bottom this big hole. That's obviously very vulnerable to water intrusion, and that's why whenever we're doing a roof replacement at Blue Nail Roofing, we make sure along all the valleys of your roof and all the penetrations like that pipe right there, we put leak barrier. So leak barrier is a lot like Flex Seal, which you've probably seen the commercials on TV for, but it's a commercial grade version of that. So it's a self-sealing, self-healing waterproof membrane. And so it's able to flex and bend with the house, but more importantly, it creates a watertight seal around any vulnerable area to make sure that that water, if it gets under the shingles, does not end up inside your home. And that's just something we do extra to make sure that your home's taken care of. So if you'd like a home inspection or a new roof, check out bluenail.com, and we're happy to come check out your home and put it back in one piece. All right, I'll see you in the next video.